Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have always wanted to try a resin project. So I was so excited to try these beautiful silicone molds for jewelry, charms, or earrings by Let's Resin. I really liked the shape options that they had. There weren't too many weird heart, star, squiggly line shapes. I wanted just very simple, very dignified looking shapes. I used it with pressed wildflowers from the area that I live in, and it was just a lot of fun being able to place them the way I wanted them to look. They worked so nice. They were so easy to use. You just pour the resin in there and let it sit. It does such a good job of allowing it to flow evenly and even go around the spot, because this is for jewelry, to go around the little spot that's meant to create the eyelet hole so that you can connect it to the jewelry, the earrings, the necklace, anything that you would like. I loved how each shape had different sizes. It had big, medium, and small, depending on the item that you're trying to put in or the size earrings that you want. If you're big into big earrings or necklace charms, hey, go for it. I think it is absolutely cool. But then if you want something a little bit smaller, daintier, you can go that route. It really has something for everyone. I did it with my sister and my niece. It was just fun to be able to decorate our own earrings, our own necklaces, and just watch it dry. It was definitely a nice thing. We could just talk, have a good time, and create something beautiful at the same time. So it comes with everything that you need. It's fun. You can use it with a variety of things, and that's my point of view.